हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज हम यहाँ पे जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया का जो फाइनेंस ऑफिसर की जो पोस्ट है, मीन्स फाइनेंस असिस्टेंट मैनेजर की पोस्ट है, उसका एक टॉपिक अपन कवर कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे। करेंसी रिस्क मैनेजमेंट एंड इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड एंड कैपिटल फ्लो। मतलब ऐसे अपन तीन यहाँ पे अपन कंसेप्ट ले रहे हैं। करेंसी रिस्क मैनेजमेंट भी है, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड भी है एंड कैपिटल फ्लो भी है। ओके, तो इसके रिगार्डिंग अपन यहाँ पे अभी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे जो 50 रहेंगे। देन इसके बाद अपन इंपॉर्टेंट प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व करेंगे। तो जिनको भी नोटिफिकेशन थ्रू इंपॉर्टेंट एंड एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन चाहिए वो चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लो, ताकि नोटिफिकेशन थ्रू आपको वीडियोस डायरेक्टली मिल जाए। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। तो देखिए क्या बोला है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एग्जांपल ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन एक्सपोजर इन करेंसी रिस्क मैनेजमेंट। आंसर इज एन यूरोपियन कंपनी awaiting payment in USD for a sale. Okay. Next, second, which instrument is commonly used for hedging currency risk in forward market? Answer is forward contract. Okay. Next, third, the covered interest rate party is achieved when? Answer is the forward premium equal the interest rate are differential. Next, fourth, what is the primary objective of currency swap? Answer is to reduce the cost of borrowing in different currencies. Next, fifth, which of the following describe translation exposure? Answer is accounting impact on consolidated financial statement. Next, six, a company use a forward contract to hedge against company risk. This approach is an example of, answer is passive hedging. Next, seventh, if the current spot rate is higher than the forward rate for a currency, the currency is said to be. Answer is in forward discount. Next, eight, which of the following measure economic exposure to currency risk? Answer is operational cash flow changes. Next, ninth, which of the following strategy minimize translation exposure? Answer is matching foreign assets with foreign liabilities. Next, 10th, delta neutral hedging is primarily used in. Answer is option based currency hedging. Next, 11th, the primary function of International Monetary Fund is to. The answer is stabilize exchange rate and assist countries with balance of payment problem. Next, 12th, which of the following is example of capital inflow? The answer is foreign direct investment into the country. Next, 13, a persistent current account deficit can lead to. The answer is depreciation of domestic currency. Next, 14, what is the role of World Trade Organization? Answer is facilitate negotiation and enforce global trade agreement. Next, 15, the J curve effect in trade theory explain. Answer is the initial worsening of trade balance after currency depreciation before improving. Next, 16, which of the following is not a type of capital flow? आंसर इज ट्रेड सरप्लस। देखिए, पोर्टफोलियो इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है, फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है, इंटरनेशनल लोन होता है, लेकिन ट्रेड सरप्लस नहीं होता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट 17, इन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड काउंटर ट्रेड रेफर्स टू। आंसर इज barter or non-cash transaction between trading partner. Next, 18, which of the following describe free floating exchange rate system? Answer is exchange rate are determined by supply and demand in forex market. Next, 19, which of the following lead hot money flow in an economy? Answer is short term speculative capital movement. Okay. Next, 20, the balance of payment account include. Answer is current account, capital account and financial account. Next, 21, which of the following best describe natural hedge? The answer is matching revenue and cost in same currency. Next, 22, The concept of basis risk in currency future arise when? Answer is the spot and future price do not move perfectly in tandem. Next 23. A company hedge a foreign currency receivable with forward contract if the spot rate at maturity is higher than the forward rate. The company will. Answer is incur an opportunity cost. Next 24. Which factor does not affect exchange rate movement in long term? Answer is seasonal demand fluctuations. Next 25. Which type of option allows the holder to exchange one currency for another at predetermined rate? Answer is currency option. Next 26. An example of cross currency swap. Answer is exchanging physical principal and interest payment in different currencies. Next 27. Mark to market valuation is essential in which hedging instrument? Answer is future contract. Next 28. The term delta in option trading refers to? Answer is the sensitivity of an options value to exchange the underlying asset price. Okay. Next 29. Which of the following is a limitation of using forward contract for hedging? Answer is counterparty risk. Next 30. An appreciation of domestic currency will likely, answer is, reduce the cost of import. Next 31. The twin deficit hypothesis suggests a relationship between, answer is, trade deficit and fiscal deficit. Next 32. The Higgs-Shacker-Oakley theory of trade focus on, answer is, factor endowment and resource availability. Next 33. In international economics, capital account liberalization refers to, answer is, removing restriction on cross-border capital flow. Next 34. Which organization is responsible for resolving trade dispute among member countries? Answer is World Trade Organization. Next 35. Foreign exchange reserve are maintained primarily to, answer is, stabilize exchange rate and manage currency volatility. Next 36. A country trade balance is negative when? The answer is import exceed import exports. Okay. Next 37. The Marshall-Lerner conditions state that currency devaluation improve the trade balance if, answer is, demand for export and import inelastic. Next 38. What is the primary goal of regional trade agreement like NAFTA or EU? The answer is facilitate free trade and economic cooperation among member nations. Next 39. Which of the following does not influence international capital flow? Answer is domestic production quota. Okay. Next 40. An increase in foreign portfolio investment is most likely driven by, answer is speculative investment seeking high return. Next 41. The black school model is widely used for, answer is price option including currency options. Next 42. Which factor does not directly affect the value of currency option? Answer is number of option traded. Next 43. In pledge exchange rate system currency is, answer is constantly value against another specific currency. Next 44. If a multinational firm foreign subsidiary generate income in foreign currency, the firm face, answer is translation exposure. Next 45. Interest rate party ensures that, answer is forward rate reflect the interest rate differential between two currencies. Next 46. The Dutch disease phenomenon refers to, answer is the currency appreciation following a resource boom harming other sectors. Next 47. Which of the following best define remittance in international trade? Answer is money sent by individual working abroad to their home country. Okay. Next 48. A current account surplus indicate that. Answer is a country export more goods, service and capital than it imports. Next 49. Capital control are typically used by government to. Answer is restrict the flow of speculative capital. Next 50. An example of trade protectionism. Answer is imposing quote on the quality of goods that can be imported. नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो रहेगा वो सब्जेक्ट वाइज अपन क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, प्लस उसके बाद इंपॉर्टेंट प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस भी अपन जल्दी ही सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, और एनआईसीएल एंड एसबीआई क्लर्क की भी अपन ने सीरीज स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं। जो भी वो पेपर सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं वो भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, ताकि रीजनिंग प्लस क्वांटिटी एप्टीट्यूड आपका क्लियर हो जाए। के लिए थैंक यू।